this question says balance in alkaline medium. We have solved this, exactly this question before, but the question is balance in acid medium. Balancing in acid medium is different from balancing in alkaline medium. So let's go. Look at how to do it. It is so simple. You're right. Tetraoxomanganate 7 ion to afford manganese 2 ion. You first check if non-oxygen and non-hydrogen atoms are balanced. So manganese is 1 at the reactant side and 1 at the product side, balanced. The next is to assign oxidation number to those atoms that are not oxygen and hydrogen, and that is manganese. Here, oxidation number of manganese is calculated by noting that oxygen has oxidation number of -2. So you multiply that 2 by this 4, making it 8. This charge is -1. You subtract -1. You subtract 1 from that 8. 4 times 2 is 8. -1, 7. So oxidation number of manganese is +7 at the reactant side and +2 at the product side, meaning this is a reduction process. So you quickly go to reduction number line. In reduction number line, you have 0 here, +1 here, +2, plus so forth, -1, -2, -3, and so on and so forth. Now from +7 to +2 is a reduction. You trace it on the number line. From +7 to +2, how many electrons accepted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons accepted. From +7 to +2, we have 5 electrons accepted. Where do you add it? To the right or to the left? You add these electrons to the left because even this arrow is pointing from right to left. So you add it here and we have MnO4- plus 5 electrons to afford Mn2+. The next is to balance oxygen. Oxygen is 4 here and there is no oxygen at the right hand side. So what you do is to add water. You add water. How many water? 4, because oxygen is 4. You add 4 molecules of water to the opposite side where the oxygen is. That is to the right. And that is MnO4- plus 5 electrons to afford Mn2+ plus 4 water molecules. Now, to balance hydrogen, there are 4 times 2, 8 hydrogen atoms at the right. You don't add 8H plus to the left, because if you do that, you are showing that this reaction takes place in acid medium. But in alkaline medium, what you add to the left is equivalent number of water to the left, and you also add the equivalent number of hydrogen of OH- to the right. You add water to the left and add hydroxide ion to the right. So how much of water are we adding to the left? We will add 4 times 2, 8 water molecules to the left. So we have MnO4- plus 5 electrons, plus 8 water molecules to the left. 4 times 2, 8. To afford Mn2+ plus 4 water molecules. And also, you will add 8 molecules of OH- to the right. Because this is alkaline medium. Alkalines have OH. You add it to the right, we have 8 OH-. After this, you check if there is any duplicate molecule. We have it. 8 water here, 4 water here. You can cancel out. 4 can cancel 4 here. It remains 4 water molecules. And we have MnO4- plus 5 electrons plus 4 water molecules to afford Mn2+. The whole water molecules here are gone. Plus 8 OH-. If you check, the equation is balanced. Manganese is 1 here and 1 here. Oxygen is 4 plus 4, 8. And check it here, is here 8. Then, what again? Hydrogen, 4 times 2, 8. Look at it here, 8, balanced. Now, we balance the charge. This is -1, -5. That is what? -6. This is +2. -1 times 8, -8. +2 minus 8 is also -6. You see it? The charges are balanced. Therefore, this is the balanced equation in alkaline medium. Please, for full understanding of how to balance equation in alkaline or acid medium, watch the previous video I did on this same question, but in acid medium. Watch the 2 videos. It will help you a lot to know how to balance redox equation of this nature. Watch these videos before we go into more complex redox equations.